Oh, hey, what's up?
Derek, dude, I need your help right now. Are you there? Dude, I need your help. I need you to Google how to defuse a bomb. Dude, just you gotta Google this for me, right? You gotta do this right now. Hello? Derek? Derek, you there?
Yeah, I'm right here, dude. I'm just trying to figure out how to cook these sweet tarts in my new microwave.
Cook sweet tarts in your new... Dude, I don't have time for this. I don't care about your new microwave. What?
It's the deluxe package.
Oh, dude, no way.
Yeah, man, I can't cook it.
Dude, I can't even believe you got those. Well, did you try the reheat option?
What's that?
All right, okay. You see the button above the number 6?
Oh, yeah, 3.
Yeah, alright, so press that twice.
Alright.
Alright, now press the number 6.
Alright.
And now press start.
Yeah.
Did that work for you?
No, that didn't.
Are you sure it didn't work for you?
Yes, I'm sure.
Dude, are you positive?
Yes, it's actually.
We'll try it again!
I'm trying!
Dude, are you sure it's plugged in? Hello? Derek?
Yeah, that's not the problem.
Alright, man, you got it then?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, cool, man. I'll talk to you later.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, bye.
Oh, right.